Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change web rotor summary in voiceover on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start! Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the accessibility, then tap. Then in the accessibility, go to Vision section and then tap the voiceover. Then after that, in the voiceover, scroll down again and then find the verbosity, then tap. Then in the verbosity section, scroll down again and then go to rotor action section and then find the web rotor summary and then tap. Then in this part in the web rotor, if you want to change it to Braille, just tap it until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to change it to do nothing, just tap it also until there's a check mark on the side. And that's it. We have successfully changed web rotor summary in voiceover on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new update. And thank you for watching!